Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating pairing. Confirm the controller is a Bluetooth-capable Xbox Series or 1S model, and that your PC runs Windows 10/11 with Bluetooth enabled. Once done, charge the controller above 20% and press the Xbox button to power it on. This wakes the radio. Next, press and hold the controller's pair button until the Xbox light flashes rapidly. That quick flash means the controller is discoverable and ready for your PC to find it. Now you'll connect from Windows. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and choose Add Device, then Bluetooth. Your PC will scan. Within 20 to 30 seconds, select Xbox Wireless Controller. Windows pairs automatically and installs drivers so input works with games. If it fails, make sure Bluetooth is actively scanning, then toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the Bluetooth service from Services. MSC. Also, move the controller within a few feet of the adapter to reduce interference and improve pairing reliability. Finish by confirming the controller connects and responds. Open Xbox Game Bar or a game to test buttons and sticks. Make sure inputs register. If behavior is odd, install the Xbox Accessories app and update controller firmware. Updates often resolve stability bugs. When problems continue, remove the controller from Bluetooth devices and repair. If still unstable, try a wired USB connection to rule out radio problems or swap to a different Bluetooth dongle. One key tip: firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.